I figured out the exhaust. On top of the M122 supercharger, I've got a 76mm On3 Performance turbo. And I've decided, instead of trying to snake the exhaust down inside the frame rail, where there's no room at all for the exhaust to fit between the drive shaft, the fuel tank, and the battery box, everything that's going on underneath this truck, so I built a downpipe. I'm just gonna run a side pipe. And I've got 3 mufflers. 1 muffler, 2 muffler, 3. Straight from the turbo, down by the firewall, out the fender, all the way back. I'm gonna end up turning around just to turn down so that when I blow a turbo or an engine or something, I don't oil down my tire and spin out at 150 miles an hour.
I would be lucky to find me a man who could love me the